You may not believe it, but this carpet was installed in 1970. And I've had lots of people ask me, when we're gonna do something about the carpet in the sanctuary. Well, the time is now. After our evac site, we had some friends come up from the sister church in Lodi, and they want to help us out with some carpet. Now they're going to do things like the lobby and a whole bunch of the classrooms that were all being used during the evacuation. I think we should also do the sanctuary, and we've raised about half the money. We need another $10,000, and we're just going to make that happen. So we're talking about most of the classrooms and all of the hallways. Before we start laying carpet, I think there are places where we should edit the building for the next 50 years. One is to take out this door so that there's not a traffic jam here in the hallway, and also this doorway. And then this one that has been a janitorial closet, we're gonna wall this up, we're gonna take out this wall, and then we'll have one more classroom with a bathroom in it for the kids department. And then we're gonna move the food bank and then put a wall in so that we have a storage room and a classroom. Now, it would be tragic if we came in and did the carpet on the platform without taking care of a few other things, like, and then there's a couple of more cosmetic things we want to do before we get started. Here's the kicker. The carpet guys want to be here in 4 weeks. So we've got to get all of this stuff done, and we've got to get it done now. So we're going to do a series of work days. We're going to start on January 1st because I know all you guys have the day off, and all that there is football on, and who's going to watch that all day? So come in around noon, and we'll work for a few hours, and we'll get some stuff knocked out. Thank you for what you're going to do, and also for the generous donations that have helped us get this far. Thanks.